Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics into your website account. So first thing you need to do, you need to visit the Google Analytics website. It's located on google.com/analytics, and then you have to sign in using a Google user ID. So I'm going to use my own Google ID, which is recommended at the beginning. So you create the account with your own account, Google account, and then you transfer it to your customers once you're done configuring everything. So I'm going to sign in, and here you see the main Google Analytics panel. Here you can see I already have two accounts into to my panel. So I have Ekomobi and my own personal website. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add a new account for my customers. I'm going to click on the admin tab, and then on the admin drop down, I'm going to select create new account. And here I have a choice between classic analytics, which I'm going to choose. You could also use Universal Analytics. In that case, you need to send us an email to activate it on Ekomobi. Okay, so I'm going to choose Classic Analytics, and I'm going to set up an account name. Okay, so I'm going to, here in the account name field, I'm going to put in the customer's name, so Philippe Raté, and then in the website properties, since each account can have more than one website, here I'm going to use the URL of the website to distinguish that it's a main website. So I'm going to copy that URL also in the website URL. And then I'm going to choose the right time zone for that website. So all the reports are in sync with the time zone that I'm in. So we're in the Eastern time zone here. So I'm gonna select that here. Okay, Eastern time zone. And then I'm gonna find the Get Tracking ID button and click on it. And I'm gonna accept the Google Analytics terms and conditions. So accept. So now the account has been created, and Google is providing me with the tracking code to integrate into my website. You don't need to use that for Ekomobi. We do all that for you, but all you need is your Google Analytics tracking ID, which is a UA number. So you take that number here and then you copy it, okay, into your clipboard. And then once you're gonna be able to insert it directly into your Ekomobi account. But before we do that, we're gonna go back to the Home tab, and then we'll select the account and all the website data. We're gonna go into the real-time overview tab. So we're gonna see the real-time traffic and be able to test that our integration is working. So as you can see right now, there's no traffic, which is normal. So I'm gonna go into my Ekomobi administration panel. I'm gonna log in. Then I'm gonna go into the site option panel, and I'm going to paste the ID that Google provided me. I'm going to save the site. So if that's all you need to do, it's not now Google Analytics is integrated with all the pages within your website. So I'm going to go and navigate on the site a little bit. So I'm going to look at a couple of pages. And if I go back to the Google Analytics live overview, I see that the two pages that I visited have been recorded as page views within Google Analytics. So it's working. So I know from now on that all traffic from this website will be recorded in Google Analytics. But one thing I want to do is remove my home traffic from the reports, because I'm going to be visiting that website quite a lot, and I don't want myself to count as a visitor. So I'm going to go and exclude myself from the traffic. So I go back to the administration panel and select the account of Philippe Raté, and then I click on all filters. I'm going to add a filter to exclude traffic from my IP address. So here I'm at home, so I'm going to name this filter home, and then I'm going to choose exclude traffic from this specific address. And now I need to know what my address is while accessing the web. One site that is really cool for doing that is the site whatismyip.com. So you just type that into Google, and then you'll see what your IP is as seen by the outside world. So I'm going to type in the first two numbers, 24,200. I'm going to go back and check what the other numbers are. So 79,118, 79,118. And then I'm going to apply this filter to all the website data. So I'm going to add the data here and I'm going to save the filter. So now I'm going to go back on the site and trigger a page view to make sure that it's not being recorded. So I'm just going to go on the About page and click on it. So now if I go back to the Google Analytics report, the live overview, that page view should not have been recorded. And we see that it has not, so the filter is working correctly. So all the traffic coming from my home will not be included in the Google Analytics report. Okay, so now the last thing I want to show you is how you can, once you're done configuring Google Analytics, how you can give back the account to the customer. Okay, so you go into the user management, then you add the customer's Google address here, and then you can give them all the rights to manage the user, edit, and collaborate, so they'll be able to remove you once you're no longer needed in their project. So I hope that covers everything. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to contact us at support@ekomobi.com. Thank you very much.